Assalamualaikum beautiful people. What's up guys? Welcome to my another colorful toy video. Wow guys, revolver. These are green color revolver. Wow. Oh, we need this battery. Oh, I'm putting the battery. Watch till the end guys. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and don't subscribe this channel. Wow. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Then now I'm gonna show you another one revolver. Whoa, guys, wow. Whoa, yeah. These are beautiful guns. Wow, look at that. Now I have a Spiderman crazy toy. Wow, guys, look. These are funny shape Spiderman crazy toy. Wow. Yeah. Wow, 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 guys, look. These are crazy toy. Now I have a police car. Wow, guys, these are funny police vehicle. Whoa, yeah, orange, white, green, and pink color. Awesome, 80 beautiful police car. Wow, the next police motorbike, guys. These are police motorbike. Ho ho ho! Yeah, orange color. Then next, at last, we have another one revolver. Oh, guys, look at that! Wow, here's a mini projector. Whoa, guys! Wow! Hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care. See you on the next video. Wow! Do subscribe this channel for more videos. Bye bye.